a bottle for you yet. How about you, big man?
I would have said sugar as well.
Sorry? Try a woman? Okay, let me try woman.
No, I said it might be about a woman.
I have the answer. Sugar.
No, not yet. You're close, brother. I mean, you know what you are doing now? You're like batting, and already I sent you a pitch, and you hit a very long foul ball. A very long foul ball. He has the power. He has the power. Okay, brother, you look like. No, you look like the answer. Okay, amigos, I'm gonna give you a few more seconds because then I get to keep the bottle. I'll bring it with Astacio.
It's easy, like between like the trade winds, like between like the
My friends, you are bypassing something super important, but something super probably that you have it in your head. Okay, my Arizona friend.
Slave trade.
No, look at the Arizona friend. He looks a lot like him. No, okay, listen. You are not allowed to be right.
It's a Cuban company. That's
Astacio, what do you think? It's invalid, right? It's invalid. It's invalid. No, look, honestly, Bacardi is here because almost 100 years after Bacardi in Cuba, Mr. Castro said, "Give me the key of the factory." Bacardi, several upgrading in the military, several hotels, and many tax incentives were here because the U.S. could no longer do business in Cuba. So you remember the guy, he looks like Castro. Obviously, more handsome, much more handsome.
He looks more like Shazad.
I'm sorry?
He looks like another. He looks like somebody else.
Like the guy in
Star Trek Discovery. Star Trek Discovery.
The guy who's swimming on Lamor. What's this guy?
Aquaman? Oh, Jason Momoa.
Wait a minute, is that James? Is that James?
That's Dave.
James, it's your birthday today.
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear James, happy birthday to you.
Made up for the fact that he's going to walk around the rest of his life and be called Fidel Castro. All because of you.
Okay, amigos, ready to continue?
Yeah.
Let's go. Nice shirt, man.
Oh, that's the one, and I said I was going to sing happy birthday.
Did that.
But he really does look like Shazad, though.
Yeah.
Totally.
Yeah,
I thought I was like, wait a minute, he's on the cruise?
Yeah, I hadn't seen Shazad.
I wish. I wish. I missed it.
By the way, Moira, Burger King has a license too. You know the Incredible Whopper, the new one? Do you see one of beef?
Impossible Burger.
That's an impossible answer.
I don't know that.
No, but you know they have an impossible burger. You know that?
Yeah, but
Impossible Whopper.
Oh,
Look at
gotcha.
todos los sitios tienen su.
Is it lower back?
Yeah.
Oh, painful.
Amigos, look at this view.
That's called getting old.
Yeah.
Remember the song Despacito? The song
Yes.
Despacito was filmed out of the city La Perla. Beautiful as you can see the city. How nice. La Perla.
Should we?
Amigos, let us know
No,
if
I
you
put
want
my
to-
phone away. It's in my backpack and it's staying there. I'm not. I just want to.
Enjoy it.
Yes.
Mira, ¿dónde está? Exactly.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Amigos, this is really worth it. Another group picture. This is really worth it, especially this weather. This weather is unique. Last week it was raining almost every day.
Is it?
Yeah.
Like for when it rains. So that
when it rains, oh.
Yeah.
Or blood, when there was blood.
Way to bring it home.
I know.
That got dark. Or blood.
Or blood. Rain, blood.
And you get the somebody had to.
Let's not go to the third liquor.
Oh dear.
Oh, that last night. Were you on that? You were in the Hollywood Square?
That was the question. What is a sperm?
That went off the
Oh,
rails.
that one off. Yeah.
Are we looking this way? Is that what's happening?
What are we, what's going on?
Talk? No. All right, we're smiling. No, you're good. I'm
Right here. He left.
Here's my long flowing blonde hair.
Do you know this fort? Have you been here?
Yes,
Oh, so that's a lighthouse?
I was born right here.
That's intense.
What did
That's what the trough is for.
Is that a lighthouse? Like,
Yeah, it was, yeah.
These tracks you see here, this was originally for a swivel cannon.
Yeah.
That's the pivot point there. But this facility is not original colonial from the Spanish time. This was built by the United States of America during the Second World War. The
I
other
thought that
thing,
was a Bacardi bottle.
the other thing, now from the beginning, San Juan, they used to draw water from the wells when there was a small population, but as the population grew, since San Juan does not have any rivers or lakes, they had to collect the water from the roofs. These gutters you see here,
There's
they're
our answer.
all over the fort, and eventually they lead to a cistern that's right in front of the bookstore, where they were capable of accumulating up to 200,000 gallons of water.
Wow.
So they were green. That was a green.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah. The other fort has the same facility, but they can store over 700,000 gallons of water.
Sizes and everything. I've heard.
Okay. Now, just take a look over here. Real quick. So slave, he paid for the slave, right? And they used them for domestic work. So not necessarily there was a lot of slaves used here, mainly prisoners. Soldiers. Okay. Nos fuimos. Of course, el cantante.
He was loved like crazy in Colombia, like crazy. Like also Daniel Santos.
You hear more of that nowadays.
No, you know,
Those of us who like salsa are old people now.
Especially when you have some chips with it. Oh, so good.
Different.
Oh, sorry.
Different.
That's what they should have on board the instant classes, which courtroom.
That's right.
What? Really?
That would be my talent. I'll hire my.
I don't see why we couldn't have two dancing doctors, honestly.
Why?
Because Case McFadden.
Oh, right. Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Yes.
So honestly, why you couldn't
I was
have?
a dancer for most of my career.
All right, there you go. So why not?
I also did it in heels
Oh, yeah, that's right.
and backwards.
Ooh, you should teach a class on how to dance in heels.
Oh no. I don't think you can teach it. You know, you either got it
Or you don't got it.
You either got it or you ain't. And I got it. Yeah.
Ni hao. Ni hao ma. Hai tien. That's Klingon, right?
Yes, very close. It's a hidden dialect.